Yes, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. This is Vibes with the Thompson family. And today I'm going to make another amazing juice right here. Very healthy and nice. Amazing. Right here, as you see in my dish, I have some pumpkins and carrot. I go ahead of time and I wash and clean my pumpkin and my carrots. Put them to boil for about 5 minutes and then I put it to cool. So now I'm gonna blend in the blender. I'm also gonna blend them in the water that I've boiled it in. Okay, so there's not gonna be much talking in this video, so I'm just gonna show you some of what I'm gonna put in my amazing and healthy drink right here today. But before we get into this video, guys, remember to like, share my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe. It's Vibes with the Thompson family. And for my continued supporters, thank you so much, guys, for your continued support. We love you. We appreciate you, guys. Remember now to tell your friends, your neighbors, and your family, your co-workers about Vibes with the Thompson family. Tell them, run over to Vibes with the Thompson family and look at these amazing recipe that they had over there. So right now in my juice, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some Irish mash. Yes, Jamaican Irish mash, bamboo Irish mash. I'm also gonna use a little carnation milk for sweetening, and I also have my nutmeg here. Yes, nutmeg. All right, I had some vanilla. Yes, Benjamin vanilla right here. I also gonna use some flaxseed. Yes, you hear me right? Do you hear what I said? I said flaxseed, guys. I'm gonna blend this also in it. Yes, and this is amazing juice. So I'm gonna use some flaxseed, and also here I'm gonna use some chia seed. Do you hear me right, guys? I said some chia seed, and these are amazing and healthy, to put in your smoothie or your juice. You can also use your pumpkin seed, your mixed seed, whatever seeds you like to add in your favorite juice or smoothie and all of that. So let's get into the video now, guys. So stay tuned. So yes guys, this is the finishing product of my juice that I made today, and look how rich and nice and creamy it is. Okay, and as I said before, it's pumpkin and carrot blend with flaxseed, chia seed, Irish moss, a little vanilla, and a little milk, and my nutmeg right there. So look at the amazing finished product right here, guys. Go ahead, feel free to try this recipe. It is healthy, it is amazing. Enjoy. So this is another amazing recipe here today. Remember to like, share, and if you're new here, please subscribe. Tell your friends and your neighbors about Vibes with the Thompson family. Go ahead, guys, and share this amazing recipe right here. So right now, I'm out.